Hey there guys, welcome to another episode of Unboxing The Walking Dead. Today, I'm going to be checking out a Funko Mystery Mini Series 3. Let's crack this thing open. Looking at the box, we see Rick and Daryl on the front, Glenn and Clara on the side, and let's see, a Maggot Walker and Herschel missing half of his leg. On the back we have Rick, Daryl, Tyrese, Herschel, Glenn, Carol, Maggie, Abraham, Clara, Golf Club Walker, Maggot Walker, Bloody Tyrese, Beat Up Glenn, Headless Herschel, and a glow-in-the-dark Golf Club Walker, and a Bloody Daryl and Daryl's motorcycle. What is this? The head was broken off inside the box. What the heck? And it was the rare glow-in-the-dark Golf Club Walker. That's weird. Well, tell me what you think I should do, guys, in the comments below. Alright, I guess that's going to be it for this video. See you guys later.